Hello friends, this is third quiz on weekly current affairs. It is 13th September 2020. आइए शुरू करते हैं इस क्विज़ को। और मुझे उम्मीद है कि इस क्विज़ से ज़रूर आपको कुछ नया सीखने को मिलेगा। और आप ये भी देख सकते हैं कि इस हफ्ते में जितने भी करंट अफेयर्स के चीज़ें हुई हैं, क्वेश्चंस आए हैं, उसमें से आपको कितने पता थे कितने नहीं पता थे, आप कमेंट बॉक्स में मुझे बताइए। मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए। उम्मीद है कि आपको इन क्विज़ से कुछ फ़ायदा मिल रहा होगा। ये क्विज़ कंपटीशन के लिए भी ज़रूरी है, और अगर आप कोई प्रोफेशनल कोर्स कर रहे हैं तब भी आपको ये क्विज़ और ऐसी जानकारी होनी चाहिए। सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज़ व्हाट इज़ द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ FCRA? आंसर इज़ it is Foreign Contribution Regulation Act. Next question is which Indian state has lowest literacy rate? It is Andhra Pradesh and its literacy rate is 66.4%. Which Indian state has highest literacy rate? Answer you may know, it is Kerala and literacy rate is 96.2%. What was the agenda of G20 summit held recently? It was on education. When is International Literacy Day celebrated? It is on 8th September. What is the theme of Literacy Day declared for this year? It is teaching and learning in COVID-19 crisis and beyond. What is the name of the typhoon that impacted Japan and South Korea recently in this week? Answer is Haisen. Next question, which drug company launched COVID-19 drug Remdesivir in India? The answer is Dr. Reddy's. For whom is Swanidhi scheme recently launched by Indian government meant for? Answer is it is for street vendors, and the full form of this scheme is Street Vendor Atmanirbhar Nidhi. Then what is the full form of PMGKY? Answer is Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Yojana. Then what is the purpose of Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana? It is to give LPG cylinders to BPLs. Which two companies have ownership of PUBG? Answer is it is Tencent of China and PUBG Corporation of South Korea. What is the purpose of government's recent scheme PMMSY? It is for development of fisheries, and full form of this scheme is Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampada Yojana. What is the name of the app launched by Indian government for farmers in this week? It is eGopala. How much world's wildlife has been lost since 1970 according to the report of Living Planet 2020? It is 68%. The next question is Government of India launched 24/7 toll-free mental health rehabilitation helpline. What is its name? So answer already it came before, and it is the name of this app is helpline number is Kiran, and it will be available in 13 languages. Which squadron of IAF Rafales jets were inducted to? Answer is 17 Squadron, and the name is the Golden Arrows. What is the full form of RT-PCR? The full form is Reverse Transcription Polymers chain reaction, and it is a method to detect COVID-19, which Mutt Keshav Nanda Bharti was related to. It is Adnir Mutt, Kerala, who have been delisted from freedom fighters list recently in this week. It is Wagon tragedy victims and Malabar rebellions. Can you identify this logo? Answer is Vodafone Idea Limited. This merger took place 2 years ago, and recently in this week they have launched this logo. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you like this quiz. Do write in comment, like, subscribe and share my channel. Thank you so much, and wait for the next quiz. It will come on 20th September 2020. Thank you so much.